stretch and deep tendon reflexes. What are these reflexes? For skeletal muscles to perform normally, the Golgi tendon organs like proprioceptors must constantly inform the brain as to the state of the muscle. Stretch reflexes initiated by muscle spindles must maintain healthy muscle tone. Sorry. So then we have muscle spindles. Spindle means that they are fibers, are composed of a few intrafusal muscle fibers that lack actin and myosin. So in their central regions are non-contractile because they are unable to contract and serve as a receptive surfaces. So the muscle spindles are wrapped with two types of afferent endings. If we talk about, you have most of the time you have listened about afferent and efferent terminologies. So afferent means to enter into some blood vessel or some lymphatic vessel, or some neurons or neuronal tract, if I say. So, and efferent means and to leak out. If I talk about to leak out from that particular blood vessel or a lymphatic vessel, okay. Then these regions are innervated by gamma efferent fibers. So contractile muscle fibers are extrafusal fibers and are innervated by alpha efferent fibers. Here is a diagram of muscle spindles in which the spindles are showing its class or its diversity. Operation of a muscle spindles. Stretching the muscles activates the muscle spindle. There is an increased rate of action potential in a fiber. Contracting the muscle, contraction of the muscle reduces the tension on the muscle fiber. So there is a decreased rate of action potential on fibers. Here are some diagrams which show the muscle spindle, intrafusal muscle fiber, primary sensory nerve fiber, or the extrafusal muscle fiber, as you can see. So then there are stretch receptors. It is one of the type of the reflex. So stretching the muscle activates the muscle spindle. Excited gamma motor neurons of the spindle cause the stretched muscle to contract. So the afferent impulses from the spindle result in inhibition of the antagonist. For example, patellar reflex, like in this way, this movement. Okay. The quadriceps contract and the antagonist hamstrings relax. Hamstring is concerning with our arm or maybe leg. So here is all the process. Maybe of reflex arc. It includes all the reflex arc and all the reflex activities. So here we can see the hamstring. So it is concerning with the leg and muscle spindles of the legs, flexor muscles.
Yeah, this part is explained.
Okay, sir. So okay, so we have stretch receptors. It means in flexor muscles we have stretch receptors. Okay, so the afferent impulses, when afferent impulses come, these stretch receptors they divert toward the spinal cord or the CNS. Okay, then efferent impulses to alpha motor neurons cause contraction of the stretch muscle that resists or reverses the stretch. Okay, and then there is a third step. The efferent impulses to antagonist muscles are damped. That is reciprocal inhibition. It means it is an inhibitory process. Okay, then all the then there are we can say the terminologies. We can see here is the patella and the patellar ligament, muscle spindle, quadriceps, which are the extensor muscles of the leg, and hamstring also. Golgi tendon reflex. Here is one of another type of reflex. Okay, it is opposite to the stretch reflex. Contracting the muscle activates the Golgi tendon organs. Afferent Golgi tendon neurons are stimulated. Neurons inhibit the contracting muscle, and the antagonist muscle is activated. As a result, the contracting muscle relaxes and the antagonist muscle contracts. So here is the diagram. It can show all the process of Golgi tendon reflex. So they are afferent fiber from Golgi tendon organ, and they are here are the efferent fiber to muscle associated with stretch tendon, and there is a spinal cord and interneurons which communicate. Okay. Then a monosynaptic stretch reflex.
Okay, give chance.